नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका ब्रेन लॉजिक चैनल में। आज की वीडियो एक खास विषय पर है, आवर एनवायरनमेंट। बायोलॉजी का ये अनोखा चैप्टर यूं सिखाता है हमारे माहौल के महत्व को समझने का। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Environment, it refers to the complete range of physical and biological conditions in which organisms like ant interact with biotic and abiotic factors. Ecosystem, all the interacting organisms in an area together with the non-living constituents of the environment form an ecosystem. Example: forest, pond, etc. There are two types of ecosystem: natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. Natural ecosystem: the ecosystem which exists in nature on its own. For example, forest, lake, ocean. Artificial ecosystem: man-made ecosystem are called artificial ecosystem. Example: crop field, aquarium, garden. Components of ecosystem. 1. Biotic component. It includes three types of organisms. A. Producers. All green plants, blue-green algae can produce their food, sugar, and starch from inorganic substance using light energy, photosynthesis. Therefore, all green plants are called producers. They are also called autotrophs. B. Consumers. They are organisms which consume other organisms or their products as their food. All animals belong to this category. The consumers depend upon producers for their food directly or indirectly. They get their food by eating other organisms or their products. For example, man, goat, deer, fish, lion, cow, buffalo, etc. are common consumers. The consumers can be classified into the following types: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and parasites are the various types of consumers. 1. Herbivores. These are organisms, animals, which get their food by eating the producers or plant directly. Herbivores are also called first-order consumers. Some common examples of herbivores are deer, rabbit, rat, squirrel, goat, cattle, etc. 2. Carnivores. These are organisms, animals, which consume other animals. Therefore, carnivores feed on the flesh of herbivores. These are also called primary carnivores or second-order consumers. Some common examples are snake, wild cat, jackal, frog, some birds, fishes, etc. 3. Omnivores. The organisms which feed on both plants and animals are called omnivores. Human beings are common example of omnivores because they eat both plants, for example, pulses, grams, oilseeds, fruit, etc. and animal products, milk, meat, egg, etc. 4. Parasites. Those who live on body of host and take food from it without killing them. C. Decomposers. They are those microorganisms that obtain energy from the chemical breakdown of dead organisms or animals or plant wastes. These microorganisms are decomposers as they break down the complex organic substances into simple inorganic substances that go into the soil and are used up once more by the plants. 2. Abiotic components. All the non-living components such as air, water, land, CO2, oils, light, etc. form abiotic. These components are physical factors such as light, temp, water, etc. Climatic factors, these are sunlight temperature, pressure, humidity, moisture, rainfall, etc. These factors affect the distribution of the organisms. Light energy, sunlight, is the primary source of energy in nearly all ecosystems. It is used by green plants, which contain chlorophyll. During photosynthesis, plants manufacture organic substances by combining inorganic substances. Temperature. The distribution of plants and animals is greatly influenced by extremes in temperature. The pattern of rain also affects the growth of the plant. This plant growth determines the overall variety of animals living in that place. Atmospheric gases. Oxygen is required for respiration and carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Nitrogen is made available to plants by certain bacteria and through the action of lightning. Wind helps in pollination and seed dispersal of some plants. It can remove and redistribute topsoil, especially where vegetation has been reduced. Water. It is essential for life. Plant and animal habitats vary from entirely aquatic environments to very dry deserts. Trophic levels. Water. It is essential for life. Plant and animal habitats vary from entirely aquatic environments to very dry deserts. Trophic levels are the various steps or levels in the food chain where transfer of food or energy takes place. Producers are the first trophic level, herbivores are second, carnivores or secondary consumers are third. Trophic level and large carnivores or tertiary consumers are the fourth trophic level. Food chain. Food chain is a sequence of organisms through which energy is transferred in the form of food by the process of one organism consuming the other.